You spent weeks, maybe months writing your book. You finally hit publish, and then nothing happens. No sales, no rank, like your book doesn't even exist on Amazon. And here is the brutal truth. It's probably not your cover or your title or your price. It's that you have 0 reviews. In a minute, I will show you how to fix that for free. But first, I have to warn you about the shortcut that's getting authors' accounts banned right now. Getting those first few reviews is the single hardest part of selling book on Amazon. And it's also the most important one. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why reviews make or break your book, the one mistake that can get your whole KDP account banned, and the honest, completely free way I get real reviews for my own books. I am Nezir, founder of Bumblebee. I have been publishing on Amazon KDP for many years, and I built the tools I wish I'd had when I started. No hype, no fake screenshots, just what actually works. So let's get into it. Okay, let's start with why this matters so much. When someone lands on your book, the first thing their eyes go to isn't your blurb or your description. It's that little row stars. If it says 0, their brain instantly decides nobody vouched for this. I will pass. And that's normal. We don't want to be the first to risk our money on something unproven. But it's not only buyers. Amazon's algorithm works the same way. Reviews are social proof, and social proof is one of the strongest signals Amazon uses to decide whether to push your book to more people. No reviews means no signal. No signal means no visibility. And without visibility, even a great book just sits there invisible. So your first handful of reviews isn't a nice to have. It's the thing that starts the whole engine, which is exactly why so many authors get desperate. And that's where the real danger comes in. When you're staring at 0 reviews, the internet offers you a tempting shortcut. Pay a service. Get 20 reviews next week. Please don't do this. Don't go to Facebook groups. Don't go to Reddit groups. Don't buy for your reviews with real money. Because buying reviews violates Amazon's terms of service. And in several countries, it isn't just against the rules, it's actually illegal. Amazon has gotten frighteningly good at spotting these patterns. And when they catch it, that means they don't send a warning, they suspend your account. Every book will be gone. And I made a whole video on how brutal those bans are. You can watch it here or here, I guess. I don't know. And the safe fallback everyone reaches for are friends and family. And you know how that works. Barely works either, right? Amazon can often link those accounts back to you, and even when it doesn't, a few glowing 5 stars from people who never read the book don't actually convince real buyers. So, we have got a real problem now. You need honest reviews fast, but the fast option can sink your entire business. So is there an honest way that's actually safe? Yes, and it's free. Let me show you exactly how it works. To showcase you, I will share my screen. This is a tool I built inside Bumblebee called the Review Center. And it's completely free. No subscription, you don't pay a cent. The idea is very simple. You earn the right to get a review by first giving honest reviews to other authors. And here is the loop. Every author posts what we call a quest for their book. You browse the quest board, pick a book, actually read it, and that's important, and leave an honest review on Amazon. Once the review is confirmed, you earn coins. Then you spend those coins to put your own book on the board, so other authors read yours and review it without breaking any Amazon rules. Because you don't pay for reviews, you pay for visibility, so other people can take your book, read it, and give you honest reviews. And there are 3 quest types. Depending on how strong you want the proof to be, a standard quest, the reviewer downloads and reads your manuscript directly from our tool, earns them 1 coin. A Kindle Unlimited quest, where they read it through their own Kindle Unlimited account, earns 2. And a verified purchase quest, where they actually buy your book on Amazon, the strongest social proof there is. This earns them 3 coins. So you can literally start earning your way to your first reviews today without spending anything. But I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't this just a fancier way of trading fake reviews? And that's a great question. And the answer is no. And here is why it's safe. The whole thing is built to stay inside Amazon's rules. First of all, the reviews are honest. Nobody is told what to write or what rating to give. You read the book, you give your real opinion. Second, you actually have to read it. A standard quest gives you the manuscript, and a Kindle Unlimited and verified purchase require real access. Third, every single review goes through manual verification. We check that it's really live on Amazon and matches the book before any coins are finalized. And there are anti-abuse limits and penalties so nobody can game it. And that's the whole difference between this and a fake review farm. One is honest, authors helping each other with real opinions. The other is buying lies that put your account on the chopping block. Same goal, but completely different risks. Okay, so how do you actually get started? It's easier than you'd think. Getting your first reviews comes down to 4 steps. And I will show my screen again and show it to you on the review center. So 1, list your book in the review center. 2, claim a couple of quests from the board, read those books, and leave honest reviews that earns your first coins. 3, spend those coins to post a quest for your own book. And 4, real authors start reading and reviewing yours. And that's actually it. No subscription, no risk to your account, and you can start right now for free. The reason I made this free for everyone is that I remember exactly how it felt to have a book with 0 reviews and no honest way to break the chicken and egg problem. Every book deserves a fair shot at those first reviews. So let's bring it home. Reviews are what start Amazon's engine for your book. Without them, you're invisible. Buying them is the fastest way to lose your account, but giving honest reviews to earn honest reviews back is free, safe, and it actually works. And if this cleared things up, do me a favor and subscribe. I read every single comment, so tell me below how many reviews does your book have right now. I'm genuinely curious. The review center is free. Link is in the description if you want to start today. I will see you in the next one. Happy publishing.